Are you eating clean keto, tracking your macros, and still struggling to lose fat, especially around your belly? Well, you're not alone. Here's the thing most keto dieters overlook. It's not just about carbs or calories. One hidden factor could be sabotaging your progress every single day. That factor is cortisol, your body's main stress hormone. When cortisol is out of control, it doesn't matter how perfect your diet is. Your body will fight against fat loss. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how cortisol impacts your body, why it could be the missing link in your fat loss journey, and most importantly, how to take control of it so you can finally see positive weight loss. Point number one, what cortisol really does. Cortisol is often called the stress hormone, and for good reason. It's produced by your adrenal glands when your body thinks it's under pressure. In short bursts, cortisol is helpful. It raises your blood sugar for quick energy, helps reduce inflammation, and prepares you for action. But here's the problem. When cortisol stays elevated for too long, it backfires. High cortisol tells your body to hold on to fat, especially around your midsection. It increases cravings for sugar and processed carbs, breaks down muscle tissue, which slows your metabolism, even interferes with your sleep. So if you've been wondering why fat loss seems harder than it should be on keto, cortisol could be the culprit. Point number two, how keto helps. The good news is that keto itself helps bring cortisol under control. By keeping your blood sugar stable and reducing those big insulin spikes, keto eliminates one of the biggest triggers for stress inside your body, constant sugar swings. That's why so many people on keto report steady energy and mental clarity. But, and this is key, diet alone isn't enough. If you're stressed all the time, running on little sleep, or overdoing it at the gym, cortisol can still sabotage your progress. That's why you need to combine keto with smart lifestyle practices to truly master fat loss. Point number three, practical tips to lower cortisol. So, how do you do it? Here are some simple, proven strategies. 1. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Poor sleep keeps cortisol high and makes you crave junk food. 2. Incorporate relaxation. Deep breathing, meditation, Pilates, yoga, journaling, or even a daily walk outside can work wonders. 3. Exercise smart. Too much high-intensity training can spike cortisol. Balance your workouts with lower-intensity cardio and recovery days. 4. Eat nutrient-dense keto foods. Foods rich in magnesium and vitamin C like avocados, salmon, and leafy greens naturally help lower stress. 5. Shift your mindset. Gratitude and positive self-talk might sound simple, but they directly influence your stress levels and hormone balance. Combine these with your ketogenic diet, and you'll create the perfect environment for your body to burn fat efficiently. So here's the takeaway. Losing fat isn't just about carbs or calories. It's also about controlling cortisol. Manage your stress, sleep, and mindset, and keto will work for you the way it's meant to. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more keto tips, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And in the comments below, let me know what's your biggest stress trigger right now, and how do you handle it? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.